From the depths of the ocean to the dizzying heights of the Himalayas, the natural world is a tapestry woven with wonder and awe. It's a realm where life, in all its extraordinary forms, constantly pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. We often think we understand the rules that govern our planet, the laws of physics, the delicate balance of ecosystems. But just when we think we've seen it all, nature has a way of revealing secrets so astonishing, so awe-inspiring, that they make us question everything we thought we knew. Today, we embark on a journey to the very edge of our understanding, to witness firsthand the creatures who seem to have rewritten the rulebook of life itself. Prepare to be captivated by animals who walk on water, defy gravity, and challenge our very perception of reality. Their stories are a testament to the boundless creativity and resilience of the natural world. Get ready to witness the impossible because we're about to dive into the world of rare footage animals defying the laws of nature. Our journey begins in the lush tropical rainforests of Central America, home to a creature so remarkable it seems to have stepped straight out of a biblical tale. This is the basilisk lizard, more commonly known as the Jesus lizard. Now you might be wondering why such a moniker. Well, my friends, the answer lies in the extraordinary ability of this reptile to seemingly defy the very laws of physics and walk on water. Imagine, if you will, a still pond, its surface reflecting the emerald canopy above. Suddenly, a flash of green streaks across the water, leaving a trail of ripples in its wake. This is the basilisk lizard, making a hasty escape from a predator. Its secret? A combination of incredible speed, powerful hind legs, and specially adapted feet. Each foot is equipped with long, splayed toes, connected by flaps of skin. As the basilisk sprints across the water's surface, these toes spread wide, creating a larger surface area. The rapid downward thrust of its feet creates tiny air pockets just beneath the surface, providing enough buoyancy for the lizard to stay afloat. In the dense rainforest, where danger lurks around every corner, the ability to walk on water gives the basilisk lizard a crucial edge, allowing it to outmaneuver predators and vanish into the watery labyrinth. So, the next time you find yourself questioning the boundaries of the natural world, remember the Jesus lizard. Our journey takes us now from the humid rainforests to a world painted in vibrant hues and alive with the sweet symphony of buzzing wings. Here, amidst a kaleidoscope of flowers, we encounter a creature of such delicate beauty and astonishing prowess that it seems to mock the very notion of gravity. This, my friends, is the hummingbird, a tiny avian dynamo that has mastered the art of aerial acrobatics like no other. Suspended in midair, its iridescent feathers shimmering under the sun's warm gaze, the hummingbird seems to defy the laws of physics. Its wings, a blur of motion, beat with astonishing speed, up to 80 times per second in some species. This frenetic pace creates a mesmerizing hum, a symphony of sound that gives the hummingbird its name. But the hummingbird's aerial prowess extends far beyond mere hovering. It can fly forwards, backward, sideways, even upside down with effortless grace. The secret to the hummingbird's aerial mastery lies in its unique anatomy. Its wings, unlike those of other birds, are attached to their bodies by a ball and socket joint, allowing for an incredible range of motion. This, combined with their powerful chest muscles, allows them to generate lift on both the upstroke and downstroke of their wings. This unique figure-8 wing motion creates a vortex of air that keeps the hummingbird aloft, allowing it to hover in place with pinpoint accuracy. This hovering ability is crucial for the hummingbird's survival, allowing it to feed on the nectar of flowers while remaining perfectly still. Our expedition now takes us to the rugged, unforgiving slopes of mountain ranges, where sheer cliffs and dizzying drops would make even the most seasoned climber think twice. Here, we encounter an animal that seems to laugh in the face of gravity, the mountain goat. With an agility and sure-footedness that borders on the supernatural, these remarkable creatures navigate treacherous terrain with ease. They are the undisputed masters of balance, effortlessly scaling near vertical cliffs. With an almost balletic grace, they leap from ledge to ledge, their hooves finding purchase on the smallest of footholds. The secret to their gravity-defying feats lies in their remarkable hooves. It's like having a pair of built-in climbing shoes, perfectly adapted for gripping onto even the most precarious of perches. The mountain goat stands as a symbol of resilience, adaptability, and the boundless potential of evolution. Our quest for the extraordinary now plunges us from the dizzying heights of mountain ranges to the silent, otherworldly realm beneath the waves. Here, in the ocean's depths, where sunlight struggles to penetrate, we encounter a creature of such remarkable intelligence and adaptability that it seems to have been beamed down from another planet. This is the octopus, the master of disguise, the escape artist extraordinaire. With a body that seems almost entirely boneless, the octopus is a marvel of flexibility and ingenuity. It can contort its malleable form, squeezing through spaces so small you'd swear it was defying the laws of physics. It's a mesmerizing spectacle, like watching a living, breathing fluid navigate a maze designed to confound. But the octopus's talents extend far beyond mere contortionism. This cephalopod possesses an intelligence that rivals that of some mammals. It's a problem solver, a master of deception, and a quick learner, adapting to new situations with astounding speed. Imagine, if you will, a hungry octopus, its keen eyes scanning the ocean floor for a tasty morsel. It spots a crab, its pincers snapping defensively, holed up in a crevice, seemingly out of reach. But the octopus is not easily deterred. It approaches the crevice, its 8 arms probing, exploring every nook and cranny. It finds an opening, far too small for its body, you might think. But the octopus has a trick up its sleeve, or rather, in its boneless body. It begins to compress itself, squeezing its body through the impossibly small gap with remarkable ease. Our exploration now takes us to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the Sahara Desert. Here, under the scorching sun, life persists in the most unexpected forms. This is the domain of the silver ant, a tiny creature that thrives in this unforgiving environment. The silver ant possesses a remarkable adaptation, a suit of armor that reflects sunlight. It races across the scorching sand, minimizing exposure to the searing heat. Our expedition now leads us to the boundary between two worlds, the point where land meets sea, to witness a creature that embodies the very essence of adaptation and challenges our very definition of what it means to be a fish. This is the mud skipper, a fish that has taken the evolutionary leap from water to land, a pioneer in the truest sense of the word. Imagine, if you will, a muddy mangrove swamp, the air thick with humidity, the ground a tangled mess of roots and vegetation. Here, where the tide ebbs and flows, we find the mud skipper, a fish that seems equally at home both in and out of the water. Its bulbous eyes, perched atop its head like a pair of periscopes, scan the muddy terrain, while its pectoral fins, muscular and strong, propel it across the mudflats with surprising agility. It's a comical sight, this fish that walks, its movements a curious combination of waddling and hopping. But the mud skipper's adaptations go far beyond mere locomotion. Breathing air is no mean feat for a fish, but the mud skipper has evolved a unique way to do just that. It has special chambers near its gills that allow it to store water, which it then uses to extract oxygen, much like a scuba diver carrying an air tank. But even more impressive is the way it uses its skin to breathe. The mud skipper's skin is thin and moist, and it's covered in a network of blood vessels. Our journey spans the globe, from the icy plains of the Arctic to the frozen shores of Antarctica, following a creature whose existence is a testament to migration. This is the Arctic tern, the ultimate long-distance traveler. Weighing no more than a bar of soap, it undertakes the longest migration of any animal on Earth. Each year, these birds embark on a round-trip odyssey covering 44,000 miles. Imagine the Arctic summer, the sun casting a golden glow on the icy landscape. Here, the Arctic tern breeds, raising its young. As winter approaches, the tern feels an urge to head south, and so begins their epic voyage. They take to the skies, riding the winds like feathered surfers. From the rainforest to the deserts, from the mountains to the oceans, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring ways animals defy our expectations, reminding us that the natural world is full of surprises. It is a world where the impossible becomes possible, where the boundaries of what we thought we knew are constantly being pushed. Which of these incredible creatures amazed you the most? Was it the Jesus lizard sprinting across the water's surface, the nimble hummingbird hovering mid-air, the sure-footed mountain goats, the shape-shifting octopus, the heat-defying silver ant, the walking mud skipper, or the marathon-flying Arctic tern? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing animal stories. Nature is full of wonders, You just have to look closely enough to see them.